Iron sweaters.
And iron sweaters, exactly. Now this is it, where this is the first view you have of Cove.
Oh, how pretty.
Isn't that pretty?
Yes. Very
Yeah, it's
pretty.
A beautiful little, it was originally, of course, a fishing village, a fishing town.
Bikini bar.
Yes, so much. Many got that off here. They were only coming from Southampton or France.
This was their last
to
stop
Ireland.
before they went.
But in actual fact, what you'll see here as well is a statue of a girl called Annie Murphy. And she was the very first person to step onto Ellis Island as an immigrant. And she left from this port here. These pink flowers that you see on the side of the road there, they're called thrift.
Very pretty. Yeah. That's larger than the one that Mom and Vicky and I were on. There's one of the smaller, older printings. It only has 700 people on it. Yeah.
That was just for.
Hmm? Where are you going? Hmm? あった？おお。それで行ったのか。あ、そういうのが予測あるから分かってるから注意喚起でああいうクイズがあったんだ。
なるほどね、そうかもしれないね。
Where we actually are and everything, I'd like to point out a couple of buildings to you and explain certain things. I don't know if anybody remembers Irish history, but in 1845 we had a terrible bad hunger here. We had what